Okay, well, guys, today we're gonna play another cooking game. I just got press this like great. It's the Gray Meme Reset. I got press this 21 times. My boundary. I mean, hey, at least I could use the controllers, but they're slow. Just play the game already. What? Wait, per week? I mean, mainly is both. Gotta say, like, that one. I don't know. Just download it. Okay, well, I already know how to do it. What the? Okay. Well, give me. That's what I was doing, right? And give me. You're just a robot. Give me the meat. What the? We need that. No. I don't know. Cool. Did I actually just lose my ketchup? Oh. Wait, if I like threw it over there, do I have to go get it? Okay, so grab this, right? I think this is how you make it. And then we grab this and this. I tried doing this once. Oh, actually, now it works. Grab the whole thing. It's not real. I heard your voice on YouTube before. You want a hamburger? I got you. Get over here. You want a cheeseburger? Who put cheese on my cheeseburger? Who put cheese on my cheeseburger? Oh, you want fries too? How am I supposed to make that? Wait, actually, wait. Where is the fries? I was jumping right there. Okay, where? I'm sorry, I don't know where the fries are at. Get out of here. Yeah, well, guys, if you want, try to help me get 2,000 to 1,000,000 subscribers. I'm not bragging. I'm not that spoiled. I just want to go back. Let me go back. Where's the fries? Like, actually. Okay, no, order ready. What? Okay, you know what? Actually, I don't know where's the things. I'm just gonna put. Bro! What? I was constantly saying. No, I wasn't. Unless if I did this. Yeah, if I did that. Guys, the face reveal could happen any moment if I was right here. Nope. If I was right there, it could happen any moment. Okay, well, do again. Like, if you see my hands. Oh, you see, you gotta calm according to the schools, and you do this. And then once you do that, all middle schoolers, they go crazy. I don't know. I'm not tall enough. Wait, I'm not actually not tall enough. Wait, hold up. Wait, let me sit on my couch. That does nothing? What am I supposed to do? Oh. You know, I'm sorry. You wanted a burger and a drink? Wait. Oh, I thought it was time. I gotta cook the meat. I'm sorry. No! It's fine. You know, bro, do I have to do this? Is there like display any time? This is me. You can friend me if you want, unless the parental controls block it. I want next question. I strongly disagree. Let's do it. Just pressing random buttons. You know, probably next month or next week, I'm gonna try playing a game called, you probably heard it, Baldi VR. It's on an app called SideQuest, but you basically just have to enable the developer mode on this. Oh shoot, this thing, and you're done. What the? Play game without any interruptions. And I know who's gonna want what. You guys are gonna want a burger, aren't you? See? And I like the cut, G. They're finished. Let's see. Order ready? Who's order? And then you want some raw meat too? And then I'll give you Coca-Cola. It's actually kind of fun. Order ready. I think we might need more meat. What? Ooh. Free drink? No free drink? Okay. Alexa, stop. Now, who's playing Snowflake, whatever you call it? How? Wait. All the way right here. If you see my hand disappear, I'm grabbing it like this. Oh wait, does this mean I can eat it? Wow! Oh yes! 2. Again with the big ball mans. But where do I get the fries? Yeah, I think my CPU is like always at 100% for like my laptop for every single day. I don't know why. You know, I don't know how this works, okay? What the? Life of working is kind of stressful. I don't know. Cool. We do not care. Oh my gosh. Oh no, 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 do not. No, 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 no. Can't see that. Oh, order ready? Sorry. Ah! You know, I think it's been like, what do you call it, 15 minutes, so over 15 minutes is not good. Quit. No, quit. Quit.